Today, we're going to look at mystery tackle boxes, tackle box for the month of June. Looks like we got a juicy casting jig. Love those. I'm in, I don't know what this is actually. Crankbait? Yeah. Some nice, sharp, wide gap hooks. The hooks are for this. I have no idea what that is. And this thing. I have no idea. I'm sorry. It's just they throw a whole bunch of weird stuff in here. And the dibble, awesome. Tells you the price of everything and everything you got. Okay, monthly spotlight. And then the sticker, goat. That is a sick sticker. I love it. I'm gonna have to catch a bass on each of these lures. So this juicy, Ima, whatever that is, and whatever this is either. So I have to catch 4 fish today. And the hooks I am going to be using will have to be the gap worm, wide gap worm hooks for these two. Now we're going to use these blue worms with the wide gap worm hooks. Here we go. This is probably going to be the smallest fish of the night on the blue worm. We're going to use the orange wacky worm thing. It's very similar to the last worm, but it's a little thicker and it doesn't have the tail. There we go. This guy's a little bit bigger. Let's see how big he is. 11 inches. Long, yeah. He's okay. Tall Karens. Next up, the juicy casting jig. Fudge! I just lost my lure. Time for the crankbait. Ow. Whoop. Jesus. This one's probably the smallest one we caught all night, so I guess the 11-incher wins on the orange wacky. One last yeet. He's fine.